Welcome everybody. Welcome to Sinus, Cold, Allergy, Relief, Qigong. Plus, we're going to throw in a special anti-snoring routine at the end. So let's start. Let's just review a little bit about sinuses, colds, allergies. We're always either in one season or coming out of another season. Right now, here in Northern California, we're entering this time of winter. It's a different set of allergens. We've got all sorts of bugs out there that are attacking our immune system. But in Qigong, the basis of Qigong is not to keep those pathogens, allergens, bacteria from getting at you. The key is to strengthen your immune system so your immune system can do it. That's what this routine that I'm going to teach you is going to do. And this is a video that you can watch over and over and over. Anytime you feel you're getting a cold, you may be getting a sinus problem, you've got allergens, those types of things, pull this video out and watch it. And then the bonus is no more snoring, or at least not as much snoring. So let's start with the first step. First step is we're going to take our middle fingers, magic fingers. Middle fingers and the index fingers are the two fingers that we use a lot in Qigong to project energy from the hands into our bodies. So we're going to take our fingers and we're just going to rub firm pressure just along the bottom of the cheekbones all the way up to the bridge of the nose. I'm often asked, how long am I supposed to be doing this, David? How long do I do each of these steps that you're going over? If you are in a sinus allergy cold event, you're going to want to do this for 2 minutes, each of the steps for 2 minutes, and you'll probably want to repeat it at least 2 to 3 times per day. Let's pretend that we've done the 2 minutes. We come to surrender hands, close your eyes, and now flood that area that you just touched with your middle fingers